If your car would not start, try basic troubleshooting. You might fix problems like a dead battery or cold oil, but some problems need a mechanic or roadside help. If your car would not start, you can follow some simple steps to solve the problem. A dead or faulty battery is the most common reason cars would not start. A bad battery can stop your engine from turning over. If this happens, you can quickly jump-start a dead battery with a jump starter. It can start up to 20 vehicles on a single charge and works for gas engines. Noco Boost Jump Starter is a lightweight, portable device for jump-starting 12-volt car batteries. It's safe and easy to use, with spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection. First, connect the clamp assembly to the 12V output on Boost. Attach the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal of the battery. Then, power on Boost. The charge LED will blink, and the Boost LED will light up, showing it's ready to jump-start the battery. A clogged fuel filter can prevent fuel from reaching your engine, making it hard to start your car. Once a fuel filter becomes clogged, it is advised to replace it with a new one to avoid further damage to the fuel system. Old or dirty spark plugs can cause starting problems and acceleration problems. If your car would not start, check your car's manual for when to replace the spark plug. If your check engine light is on, it takes time to start. It might be a problem with the fuel pump. A faulty fuel pump can stop your car from starting. When the fuel tank is dirty, the car cannot be driven. If you suspect debris or contamination in the fuel tank or lines, you can clean them using a fuel line cleaner tool or through the fuel filter. Use a fuel line cleaner to flush the system, or run a small amount of fuel through the lines with a cleaning agent. Regular maintenance and cleaning can help improve fuel efficiency and start your car fastly. If none of the above steps help, you may need to call a mechanic or have your car towed to a repair shop. Figuring out why your car would not start is a good first step, but regular maintenance can help prevent future problems.